So I'm Curtis McDonald representing for Spice Foodie Tours. So today our Spice Foodie Tour consists of rum tasting. We started off this morning with a traditional breakfast, local Grenadian breakfast, and also our local fruity moss. It's sea moss infused with our local fruits. Then we went to Rum Edition, one of our local distilleries. It's new on the market, tastes very well. It's located on Pandy Beach in St. George. From there, we went on to the Grenada Distillers Limited, the makers of Clark's Quarter Rum. Followed by Max Sports Bar, where we had a wonderful taste of what we call under the counter. It's local rum infused with spices. Followed by, here we are now at the River Point Rum Distillery. It's a 100% local rum made from sugarcane only, no additives. I am Curtis saying thank you to all who supported us.